Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. We're going to do a test shot on a Rancilio Silvia. We did some rewiring. We did some work on the group head. We also replaced the three-way solenoid valve. Let's see how the shot comes out. There, yeah, that's nice. This is just test coffee, but still it's coming out really, really nice. Going to cut it a little short and we're going to move to the steam. At this point, you'd want to purge out your steam wand of the excess water. And here we go, we'll have that valve on. To build some heat once it's off. Now let's see what we got. Instead of waiting for the light, we're just going to go one more second and it should be hot enough. There we go, some nice strong steam even before the light went out. Thank you very much for repairing with Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Please like this video, and for more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page.